Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by launching ImageMeter and granting the requested permissions so the app can access photos, camera, and storage. Once done, pick your measurement units, pixels, centimeters, inches, or degrees, so results match your needs. Next, set a reference object or explicit scale. Enter a known length like 1/2 inch or 10 cm, or use a calibration card. Doing this first ensures all subsequent measurements are accurate, and it saves time by preventing rework later. With the scene framed, keep the phone steady. Use a tripod or grid overlay to maintain alignment. Then tap the calibration tool and mark the reference points on the reference object you set earlier. Confirm the scale and orientation so the app maps pixels to real units. After calibration, choose the appropriate tool: line for single distances, polygon for area, arc for curves, and trace carefully. Make sure to lock the measurement layer once satisfied, so accidental edits won't alter your calibrated data. Finish by exporting your results. Pick CSV for raw data, PDF for reports, or an annotated image for visuals. Set the desired precision before saving. Then verify numbers quickly with a manual check or a second independent measurement so you know your tolerance. If measurements look wrong, recalibrate immediately. Confirm the app still has camera/storage permissions, and retake the photo from the same plane as the reference object. This fixes most errors and keeps your outputs reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.